Good morning, guys. Today we are going to start the fourth part of the life processes. This is the excretion. The name of the this subtopic is excretion. Now, we all know that there are a number of the waste products which are formed in our body during the process of metabolism. For example, carbon dioxide and water are produced in the process of respiration, and these products are released out from the body. And in the metabolism of the protein, some nitrogenous waste like the urea and uric acid are produced in the animal body. Then these toxic substances are removed from our body, and these are very harmful. So it is necessary to remove them early as possible. Then this process of removing those excretory material or those toxic substances, that is the urea or uric acid from the body, is called the excretion. Then the definition is in the biological process. 1 minute, I have to change the color of the pen. Okay, the biological process of the removal of the harmful nitrogenous metabolic waste from our body is called excretion. It means in the excretion we remove the nitrogenous waste products. And now, in this chapter, we will read about the unicellular organism and the multicellular organism. Then, in unicellular organism, the metabolic waste, that is that nitrogen waste, they are excreted by the diffusion from the body surface. As you know, suppose this is the amoeba. In the amoeba, the waste product which are forming inside the body, then they are directly diffused in the atmosphere through the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. It's a very simple process. But in multicellular organism, the organism needs some specialized organ to perform the such type of the function. The organ that involved in this process of removing the nitrogen waste from the body, those organs, they constitute together the excretory system. Okay, now see next, human excretory system. Human excretory system, it is made up of these main four parts. The first is two pair of kidneys are there. Second is a pair of the ureter, then a urinary bladder and urethra. Simple, two kidneys are there. Then from these two kidney, this is ureter, and here it is a urinary bladder, and then the opening is called urethra. Okay, any problem in it? It's very clear. Now I will explain you with the help of diagram. Now see in detail. The first is kidney. Now kidney are two beans shaped. Now you have seen in the diagram also, these are two beans shaped structure. These are located either side of the backbone, either side of the backbone. Then in human adult, kidney has the length of 12 to no, sorry 10 to 12 centimeter, and its width is 5 to 7 centimeter. Is it okay? It means this is 10 to 12 centimeter, and the width is approximately 5 to 7 centimeter. It is approximate. The next is weight is around 120 gram to 170 gram. Is it okay? Now see next one. Next is ureter. Ureter are the thin muscular tubes which are coming out from the kidneys, and these open in the urinary bladder. What is the urinary bladder? It is a pear shaped. Sorry, it is written P-E-R, but it is a pear shaped. P-E-R. है ना, नाशपाती कहते हो ना, pear shaped, and it is a reservoir. Actually, it is a reservoir, यानी कि reservoir that is stored the urine का reservoir है before being the discharge from the body. Is it okay? I told you kidney, then next is ureter, then urinary bladder, and the urethra. Urethra is the opening through which you remove the urine. You excrete the urine. Okay. Now next is kidney produce urine, and urine from the kidney that passes into the ureter, and from the ureter to the urinary bladder, and then remains stored into the urinary bladder up to when we feel the maturation, and we release it. Then next product that is formed in our body, carbon dioxide. This is removed by the lungs. And nitrogen waste, I told you, removed by the kidney. Next is function of the kidney. What is the main function of the kidney? Then the first function of the kidney is it forms the urine. Then second is it regulates the water balance in the body. It regulates the water balance in the body. If excess water is in the blood, then it filters it from the blood and then excrete out. And if less water is in the blood, then it also do the reabsorption from the that urine, and the water is reabsorbed. Now it regulates the pH of the blood also, right?